Hello everyone, welcome to today's lessons on nouns. We all talk about singular and plural nouns and the difference between countable and countable nouns. Singular and plural nouns are singular, meaning one thing, and while plural means more than one thing. First, singular. Usually, singular start with the letter R and the article O or en. Means R in English is a one or O1. So not O1 can be O1. Well, it is used from nouns that start with letters others than a, I, U, E, O. For example, a book, a glass, and a table. Because this book starts with the letter B, then it uses the article a glass. Because glass starts with the letter G, then it has the right to use the article a table because the table uses the letter T at the beginning, then it also uses the article. While the letter on or article is the opposite of an is used when the nouns begin with the letter A, I, U, E, O. For example, an apple, an horse, and an orange. Because start the letter, so it uses an, while our because it is pronouncing the vowel letter our, so it starts with the letters and not starting with the letter O. While an orange because it starts with the letter. And plural nouns used from and plural nouns used for nouns with more than one. The most common characteristic used is that usually nouns with more than one have an additional s or es at the back. For example, 3 tables. There are more than one table, which means in English it is 3 tables. Because there are more than 3. Then the letter S is added at the back. And 5 cats because 3 there are more than one. Then at the back we added the letter S, so 5 cats. And next, the general rule in plural is to add the S after the noun. For example, there is book, books, car, cars, students, students. The second rule is that object ending with the word s, ss, ch, sh, x, and z are added with the letters es. For example, bus, because it ends with the letter S, becomes buses with the addition of s. Similar, box becomes box, keys, keys. Next, when a noun ends with the letter Y, there are 2 rules that apply. First rule is that if the letter before the Y is a consonant or a dead letter, then yes is added to the end. The Y is replaced with E and then es is added. For example, city, cities, story, stories, and lady, ladies. The second rule states that if the letter Y is preceded by a vowel A, I, U, E, O, you simply add S to form the plural. For example, boy, boys, they, days, case. Next, noun ending the letter O we also have two rules. First, if the letter before the O is a consonant, then S is added. For example, potato become potatoes because the final O is added with ES. Hero, heroes, tomato, tomatoes. If the letter before the O is a vowel, then we simple the letter S. For example, video becomes videos, radio, radios, and zoo, zoos. Next, if the noun ends in F or V, the F is replaced with V and the ES is added. For example, false, nifs, and leaves. The next, irregular non-plural. Some plural nouns do not follow the standard rule of adding S or ES. To form the plural version, instead the word changes form. For example, man, children, woman, person, people, food, fat, mouse, meat. How, friends, easy is this material? Oh yeah, friends, I have a little quiz for you to understand better. Start. This is apples. These are apples. This is a person. They are people. This is a kebab. There are kebabs. These things are all countable nouns. There are things we can count. 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apples. 1 kebab, 2 kebab, 3 kebab. one person, two person, three person. When there is only one, we ask the singular forms. When there is more than one, we ask the plural form. If we are talking about only one thing, we use the word a and the word form. If we are talking about more than one thing, we ask the plural form and do not need the word a. This is a orange juice. This is a sugar. This is a cotton. Now, let's look at uncountable noun. When talking about this type of things, we ask the singular form without the word a in front of it. But if you can count these things, how do you talk about quantity? Saying this is orange juice does not tell you how much orange juice. Well, there are many ways to do this. It depends on how you measure the quantity. For example, you can use weight, volume, or length. 1 liter of orange juice, 2 liter of cooking oil, and 19 liter of water. This video describes the basic rules for talking about countable and uncountable nouns. But if we look at other examples, things becomes more complicated. For example, why are some nouns both countable and uncountable? Why can we also say this is kebab? I will answer this and other questions.